G'day arborists, my name's Jamie and welcome to another Arbor Age Tough Test. Now look, check it out, we've got a fantastic product coming at you today from Ego. We're actually looking at their top handle chainsaw. The model number is the CSX3000. Now this thing's an absolute beast. So obviously electric, super quiet. We've got the top handle and guard there. If you're climbing, you're gonna love this thing. But when we're talking about any type of powerful battery or cordless system, it's got to have two really important components. Number one is a super strong, powerful brushless motor in there to drive that power. But on the battery side of things here, we're talking about Ego's 56 volt lithium ion arc lithium system. So the cells are in an arc system, in an arc shape, which provides cooling. We've got some great cooling technology. This thing's not going to overheat. The battery's going to power and keep you going over a really long period of time. We ran with both the 5 amp hour and the lighter 2.5 amp hour. Both were extremely good, but today we're going to be catching up with Jake from Northern Beaches Tree Services. So he's going to be putting this through its paces. So let's fire it up right now because the boys are going to have some fun. We've had a pretty action-packed morning and we're held up with Jake here from Northern Beaches Tree Services. How you going, bud?
Not too bad, eh?
Mate, you've had a pretty good morning climbing up there.
It was good fun using this new saw, eh? First time for me.
Awesome, mate, awesome. So look, first of all, tell everyone a little bit about yourself, how long you've been an arborist for and what you guys do at Northern Beaches Tree Service.
About 5.5 years for me. Cool. And maybe a climber for going on 4 years now.
Awesome. And
Northern Beaches Trees, it's all about tree work around the beaches, yeah.
Excellent. So what do you normally use? I mean, we won't name names, but you're normally on a petrol saw when you're climbing?
Yeah, petrol saw.
Cool. So how did you find the Ego's gone in terms of manoeuvrability, its weight and its power?
Yeah, I was a bit skeptical at first with this one because I never used it before with the weight and the power, but I was getting right out to the end of the branches and didn't bother me at all. And then some of the wood was over like the 12-inch diameter and just cut through nicely, yeah.
Yeah, I was a little bit worried. Once you got back in, those bigger barrel sections were pretty massive. I was impressed to see how well it went through.
Yeah.
How did you find you were having to like reach out and stuff, actually manoeuvring with the saw and the positioning? How did you find that went?
That was easy, yeah.
Yep.
It didn't bother me at all.
Excellent.
Yeah,
cool. So in terms of the battery performance, we had two batteries today, the 2.5 amp hour and the 5 amp hour. How would you see sort of, I guess, arborists utilising those two?
Yeah, well obviously the 2.5 would be a lot lighter, probably not as much life, so be good when you're running around those deadwooding or pruning jobs, and the 5 is probably more suitable for the big removals. Yeah,
awesome. So another cool feature that they've got in there is the integrated safety strap and cable.
Yeah, you do a cut, you need to drop the saw. It's not gonna come off the charging port, is it?
Excellent. All right, bud, no worries. Well, look, thanks for putting the saw through its paces today. It was good to watch your work in the last couple of days, mate. So
cheers.
Thank you very much.
Awesome. Cheers, Jamie.
Good stuff. Alrighty, so let's jump into some features. First of all, variable speed trigger with lockout lever. Great little safety feature. It's going to significantly reduce any of those accidental activations. We've also got a high efficiency brushless motor, and the brake itself, we've actually got a mechanical brake as well as an electric sensor. So we've got 2 levels of braking there, which is an excellent safety feature as well. So we've got a 12-inch Oregon bar and chain setup here, but the saw itself is also compatible with the 14 and 16-inch variations. So if we have a look at the battery and the holster, we've got a great little system here. There's a very easy little lever there that we pull, but you can see here this just hooks onto the back of your harness or your safety belt, and we've also got some cool little straps there. But a great feature that I love about the system is we've got the power cable, but we've also got the safety strap that's integrated into that cable, and it all connects in here. We've got several connection points or safety points here. So when it comes time to connect to your battery, it's a simple click in. We just line up the arrows. So we can see here, we've got our little connection point on the back of the saw itself here. If we click onto that little metal loop, that's now connected. It takes all the pressure off the lead itself, and that safety strap is ready to go. So just on the back of the saw here, you can see we've got our little green light here. So that's our battery indicator, but we've also got a second little LED light there, which is actually our oil indicator. We've got an automatic oiling system as well, which is fantastic for this unit. So arborists, there you have it. You can see that the Ego Power Plus top handle chainsaw has gone extremely well, and the big standout, or one of the big standouts, this ARC lithium-ion 56-volt battery has done exceedingly well to really drive the power and deliver some consistent and powerful cutting performance. So look, we really hope you enjoyed checking out this new chainsaw from Ego, Power Plus top handle chainsaw, along with the battery system that is compatible with all the Ego range. So make sure you check this out in store. Till next time, my name's Jamie, and take fantastic care of each other. Stay super safe on site out there, and we'll catch you really soon.